So this is a day that on which after a long time I am recording this video, and this video going to be very beneficial for you. Today I will also share some benefits, and I wake up early at the morning in the morning at 5 a.m. For what? For offering prayer, that which I like to do, which I like to follow, the habit that which I wanted to do on every time, on every day. And that's why I used to wake up early in the morning at every time, and the morning on every day, because this is a time on which I think that my everything will be better. As I think, like reading book, or also some center work or other things that which I like to do on every time. And that's why in this video I will going to share you with some most important and fabulous things that which you can use in your life to make your life better. So first of all, let me tell you, in this life and after this life, you must also prepare for the akhirah, because if you just make yourself and for only this world, and you are thinking I will become that person and will gain everything, yeah, you can. And also you must believe in yourself, and you also can get, but also you must be punctual with Islam, because this is the thing that which can make your life better in this world and after this world. And that's what I wanted to tell you. This is a secret that which you must know about the offering prayer 5 times and talking with your creator, maker, and that who has given you this precious life, this nature. And that's Alhamdulillah. That means in every time you must thankful to your God, thankful to your Creator, that whatever you have given me, it's huge, and I'm very thankful, very, very, very thankful for you. So let's come to the topic. So the topic is that today I will share some of my important routines and the physical exercise and everything I used to do in my life, and I will tell you. So basically, after a long time, I was not recording the video just because of busyness, and just because of a lot of works that I cannot be able to handle these things as I'm recording video in the morning. Just because of that, I was thinking that recently, let me see you. Recently, I have studied about everything that what I used to do on every time, and that's why after studying, so I think that I must record a video about for my YouTube channel. So the video is that we must also wake up early in the morning, and that's what we must follow in our life. And th- that means we should make it this precious, that we make it a habit that which we can. So whatever I like to do, just I try to build it, make it, perform it for only 21 days, that which can help me in a lot in my life, so that I will also, after 21 days, when I will complete it by doing the same thing on every day, after 21 days that thing will be make my habit, and I used to follow it and at any time, on any time. That means for becoming for developing a new habit, that you must try to make yourself able, and also that which you can do. So this is the habit that which how you can develop your habit. So I used to recite Holy Quran, also studying, reading books. I read a lot of books and also reading, but the past time I was not completing the same book in the week that which I used to do, which I like to do. But now I'm just reading the one book, and wherever I like the page of that book, I start reading it. Minimum, I think I read 3 pages or maybe two pages on a per day, just because the English is depend on you are reading, you are speaking, you are listening, and your communication skill. This is the best. This is the best that which you must follow in your life, and it will build your English pronunciation, and also you will observe about everything. Inshallah, we will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching.